We'll guide you through how to recover your Dropbox password. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop. In the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the login page. Underneath the password field, there's a link that says Forgot Your Password. Click on that link. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. Make sure it's the correct one, then click on Submit. Dropbox will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Dropbox. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click on the Reset Password button. This will take you back to the Dropbox website, where you can enter a new password. Make sure it's something strong and secure. Confirm the new password by typing it again, then click Submit. Now your password is updated, and you can use it to sign in to Dropbox. Remember to store your new password safely so you don't forget it again. If you're using a password manager, this is a good time to update it with your new password. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.